where it's plunged into a series of 11 dip tanks.
Guess who? Because when I come down, I die.
No, if you pay, they pay you one. No, you eat safe.
Go. Come on, Roda, come on. Carrot. Come on. Dose. Good. Roda on the gun. Go.
Yalla, yalla, fast!
Roda. It's your time. Shot. Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
At Ferrari, we have a proud racing tradition and a constant desire to innovate. But it's the extraordinary people who work here and their endless pursuit of perfection that make our cars like no other car in the world.
This one nice because you don't know where you are
Sharing the
going.
knowledge of the Formula One racing team and using the most
is that
sophisticated
Ferrari
technology,
World in
the
Abu
design
Dhabi.
department is where the dream starts. From initial sketches, the design is gradually perfected and then developed into a computerized 3D wireframe model. One of the most important aspects of the design of a Ferrari is the aerodynamics. So a scale model is made and tested in the wind tunnel in Maranello. Once everyone is happy with the design, the car goes into production.
This one, the production.
At the Maranello foundry, the metal alloys are heated to 800 degrees Celsius and poured into individual molds. The engine has more than 300 components and is put together mainly by hand at the Ferrari factory, where natural light, trees and plants help to create the perfect working environment. After the engine has been built in this environment, it's where the famous Ferrari roar is heard for the first time. Nearby, the car's body shell is being built. Ferrari has one of the most advanced body plan in the world, where the finest manual skill combine with sophisticated technology to produce the lines and shapes that make a Ferrari instantly recognizable. And Ferrari's crafts really excel in body paneling, fitting, and adjustment of the parts. The completed body shell is sent to the paint department, where it's plunged into a series of 11 dip tanks and rotated 360 degrees to provide a series of tough protective layers.
Sit down now.
Then it's the turn of Ferrari's graceful robots, who paint the car in the customer's chosen color. The customer can choose from a range of proposed colors, or ask for any color he desires. And it's in the final assembly where everything comes together. The body, chassis and engine, the electrics, dashboard and windscreen. In this department, each car travels through about 50 specialized workstations in about 6 days that combine cutting-edge technology with human skill and craftsmanship. And once the handcrafted interior is fitted and the wheel nuts are tightened, the car is ready to be tested. A great many extraordinary people are involved in the making of a Ferrari, from research and development right through the process to putting the car through its paces on the test track. All of them proud to have played their part.
You were recording.
Wait, not too Mind the fallen rock? Eat my dust! Enough fun and games. Time to finish this. Winner takes all. See ya! You win. This time.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Caro and this is Caro Vlogs. This is my channel. You guys, I changed my name from Superwoman AC to Caro Vlogs. I hope you're still adapting with the new name. So today, this is another day. I'm just going to be cleaning the fridge. After cleaning the fridge, and then my boss did shopping. After that, I'm going to be washing the fruits and everything I put in the fridge. I'm not going to show you when I'm washing the fruits because it is going to be a long process and the things are too much. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm just going to wash them and put back in the fridge. I'm going to clean the fridge and then I put the things there. The reason why I'm doing that, I know you're about to ask me, why are you in the kitchen? Why are you doing the things in the kitchen? If you have been here on this channel, you know what I do in this house. But the reason why I'm in the kitchen is because the person who cooks is sick. She's sick and she cannot hold her hand. She got a problem. I think it's a fracture. I don't know. She just went to the hospital and they gave her some medicine. Of course, she needs to rest. So I need to step in for her. That's why I'm in the kitchen, you guys, in case you're wondering. That's why I'm in the kitchen. So I think that's enough of me talking. We are just going to start doing the work. In case you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So we are going to start from here. She got some green lemon, as you can see, and then some carrots. I think the carrots, I'm just going to put them in water because I watched a video on YouTube, someone saying that when you put carrots in water, they take long. Even they can take a month without getting spoiled. So I'm going to put the carrots in water and they will stay there, I think. And then cucumber. Hear the way I'm talking. This is the Irish potatoes, as you can see, you guys, from here. And then we have some burger bread. We have also another bread, this brown bread. And then we have this also, white bread. And then oh my goodness, the space is very small. And then some lemon, and here these are onions, this cheese, sliced cheese, and then we have mangoes, we have cheese, mozzarella cheese, this, and then we have some nuggets for kids. We have blueberries, we have strawberries, 3 packs, blueberries, there are 2, and then we have grapes. Here we have some, how do they call this? I swear to God, I don't know in English. These, I hope you know, guys, small tomatoes. If you know how they call these in English, please comment down below. We have some avocados, but these ones are for a long time, so they have been in the fridge. I just removed them from the fridge. And then she got some milk, this one, fresh milk. And then guys, here in Gulf, they drink this. This is like yogurt, but plain yogurt. It is called laban. And then yeah, I think that's all. And then we have some We have some vegetables here. This. Onion leaves. So yeah, I'm now going to wash the fridge, and then I wash the fruits, and then I will show you putting them back. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching to this far, and I really appreciate, and thank you so much for sticking by. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, look at my hair. Look at my hair. I need to comb this hair. My hair is so dry, and this is the color. You guys, you are asking me about the color of my hair. This is the color. This one, it's like coffee brown, and then there is also black, some black color you can see from here. So this is the color of my hair right now. And guess what, you guys? Guess who gained weight? I gained weight, you guys. I've always wanted to gain weight because I remember there was a time I was 60 kilograms, like I was weighing 60 kgs. And then when I came here, I started losing weight until I reached to 48. You guys, I was 48 kgs. And after that, I gained some weight. I was 51, 52, but right now, you guys, I'm 54, but I don't feel it in my body that I've gained weight, so I don't know where they came from, and that is what is happening. Another thing, you guys, you remember my birthday? I got flowers. I still have flowers. This shows how much I loved these flowers. I still have them, but they are dry, like dry. I still have my flowers, you guys. I love them, but I think it's time to throw them away. I'll take some like this, and I'll take some small things, and I keep them for remembrance, maybe in my diary or somewhere for remembrance, you guys. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And I asked you guys in my other video to ask me questions. Like, it's been a long ever since I did a Q&A. I asked you to ask me questions in case you want, like there is something that you would like to know, let it be work or about me. If there is something that you would like to know, please comment down below and ask me. I'll do a video and I answer your questions. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.